Good evening, Danielle McPherson with tonight's weather. Warmer than average conditions have continued across the state today. A cool change is expected across southern and inland parts over the next few days, with temperatures dropping back to the low 20s. However, those warmer conditions are looking to persist across the north. On the radar now, those overnight showers have mostly cleared. Tewantin received 18 millimetres over 24 hours. Today's temperatures across the Sunshine Coast region: at Maroochy Airport, 15 to 23 degrees with an afternoon humidity of 64%. Tewantin and Nambour both got to 23 degrees. On the satellite loop, low to middle level cloud over southeast Queensland can be seen moving offshore, with just an area of middle level cloud pushing in over western parts of the state. Everywhere else remains fairly clear. On today's chart, that surface trough over the southeast has continued to contract towards the northern Tasman Sea, clearing up skies in southern parts for the time being. A weak ridge is keeping most of the north clear and dry. On tomorrow's chart, a new surface trough extending from the northwest of the state to the southeast will remain slow moving over the next few days and should generate a new band of cloud with rain areas and isolated storms. And now the latest from the Weather Bureau. The boating forecast for Sunshine Coast waters: mostly variable winds to continue into the weekend at around 10 to 15 knots, with seas at around a metre. Some good surf out on the open beaches this morning, fairly flat along the sheltered coast, but otherwise great conditions for a bit of a dip. Tomorrow's high tides just after 7 in the morning at Noosa Heads, with Mooloolaba and Caloundra both peaking at around 20 past. The southeast coast district, 80% chance of rain, possible late morning storm. Maroochydore 11 to 24 degrees, Gympie also 24, Maleny 20 and Nambour 23. Looking ahead for the Sunshine Coast, a few good showers expected over the weekend, which may put a damper on the 7 Sunshine Coast Marathon. However, those should clear by Sunday afternoon. That's all the weather we have for you tonight, folks. Have an amazing weekend. Now it's over to Robbie with the Surf Report.